David, don't you like your new vacuum cleaner? What's wrong with it? That's your vacuum cleaner. Do you like it? It's okay. Oh, honey, we're not going to make you vacuum. Oh, David. Good job, Dad.
Honestly?
The one present we get you, David, you don't like it? We thought you'd like it. That's okay. It's alright. You like vacuum cleaners. No, I don't. Really. Push it. Watch. Push. You almost did it. Oh. There. Is that better, David? Whee. You're welcome. Yeah. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your birthday gift.
Say thank you, Past family.